Here's Grid Money app. So to install it, just tap Get and then double click to install. We need cash. We got you. Um, get a limited number of advances in the between your paychecks. Upgrade your debit card. Earn cashback rewards on every purchase with your Grid debit card. Income protection up to $4,000. Get coverage if you become unemployed. Get a credit line of up to $3,000. Skip the fees. Get more out of your paycheck. Boost your credit score. So yeah, all of the things like that. You can allow to track. Then you can just tap to get started. You can add your legal first name. Just create your personal account right from the app. And then you have your profile settings. So yeah,